Good morning, students. Welcome back to online classes. Today we start our Unit 4, The World We Have Been Changing. From Unit 4, we take first part 4.1, that is the world of growing knowledge. Man is the only living being on this earth who can think and learn from experience. He see the things around himself and get curious about them. Every day he learn more and more from his experience. His story of knowledge goes on increasing. He does not want his store of knowledge to be lost. He want to keep a record of it for future generation. The first step men took in the direction was to develop the art of writing. Student, in this world, the human being is the most intelligent creature on this earth. Okay, the human being have always tried to gather more and more knowledge. Their story of knowledge goes on increase. Nature has blessed them with the power of understand and improve upon their communication skill. By their effort, they grew their knowledge and gradually made it an omnivorous power. People start inventing several things which were the foundation for the modern invention. They invent fire, wheel, alphabet, clothes, farming, etc. Even the list is still incomplete. The human race is growing its knowledge even today with many modern technique and application. Man can think, man can observe. By their knowledge, they increase development more and more. And the first step is start the writing. Okay. The first step of man is the story of writing. The story of writing is very interesting. The earliest form of writing was in the form of pictures. Messages were conveyed through simple pictures. They were picture messages. Gradually, pictures that were used again and again become simplified. They would be drawn easily as time passed. These pictures come to be used as symbol for certain object. For example, a picture like this become a symbol of a man, and a picture like this become a symbol of a horse. Such a system of writing in which pictures or symbols are used to represent a word is called hieroglyphic. It was used in ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia. It was easy to read but difficult to write. So, the need for a proper script was felt. A script is a system of writing. China, Korea, and Japan still use this pictorial script. These scripts are difficult to read and write. One has to remember about 12,000 picture symbols to read a book in such a language. Slowly, symbols come to be used for certain sound. These sounds or symbols would be combined to form words. Letters, still symbols called letters, were developed for each possible sound. For example, the symbol P and A can be combined to form the word Papa, P-A, Papa. The set of letters for each system of writing is called the alphabet. A system of writing is called a script. For example, English is written in a Roman script or system of writing. The oldest script used in our country has been found on seals of Indus Valley civilization. However, experts have not been able to read it. Then come the Brahmani script. In this script, letters have been coined to represent different sound. Most Indian script today have been derived from the Brahmini script. Hindi is written in the Devanagari script. This script is based on sound. Each symbol, called a letter, represent a different sound in India. We use Arabic, Persian and Urdu script also. Students, as you know, man is the most intelligent animal on the earth. He is always eager to know and learn more and more and think around him. The earlier man was little more than helpless to legend animal, but they used their thinking power and observe, and the story of writing come in our life. Okay, the story of writing began when the early human tried to record their invention of the sake of future generation. They start making sound, action and invented symbols to represent each sound. They start drawing several pictures in the caves to express their thoughts. Many pictures have been found in the caves walls in France, Spain and India. They represent the alphabet in the graphic manner. The pictures or symbols used to represent a word are called hieroglyphic. Such pictorial scripts can still be seen in the ancient tombs of the Egyptian kings, temples, public monuments, etc. The development of symbols to the growth of the script. The script is a system of writing. In some countries like China and Japan, the system of writing is still based on picture like letter. This writing is not an easy one. One has to remember the understand thousands of pictorial symbols to read a simple book. Okay. Brahmini script originated in India around 2000 years ago. It helped in developing many Indian language script. This script is considered to be the mother of all Indian script of today. Almost all the script in India have been derived from this script. Devanagari and many other Indian script are based on sound. Okay, students? Letters are based on the sounds, not on pictures. Our national language, Hindi, is in the Devanagari script. The Constitution of our country has recognized 22 languages and they have their own script. English language is derived from the Roman script. It consists of 26 alphabets. Even students, the oldest scripts used in our country has been found on the seal of Indus Valley civilization, so that experts have not been able to read it. That's why we use then when the Brahmini script come, it is very easy for expert to learn it. And in India we use many other scripts, for example Arabic, Persian and Urdu script also. So that's all for today. Hope you understand. Thank you.